everyone, today we will be making toilet paper slime. It says that it would work on this video that I found, so we're just going to find it because I haven't posted in a while. So, you're going to need this toilet paper, water, and any shampoo in your house. So, let's just get started. First, the video said to tear the paper up into shreds, pour it into the bowl. So, I'm going to get my toilet paper and just throw it into the bowl. Just tear it off. Put it in there. I had a baldy tonight with all the we're just such a little team. We're only third graders, and they were like fifth and fourth, so it's kind of hard for us to beat them. So that's why my voice sounds like this. Have much of it. Like, you know, camera. Okay, there's actually good. Okay, now you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to continue putting it in there. I'm missing it out. Just keep on turning it out. Did you guys see my bracelet? Nakia got it for me. She's on my ball team. And she this piece a little. There. But this piece too. This piece. Okay, I think I'm just gonna save this for later because it says it's too sticky. You can add a little more. Next up, it says to add a little bit of water. So it said to mix it up. It kind of feels like slime. I'm gonna add a little bit more though. I think I added way too much, guys, but it's basically a mushy texture now, like what the video says. So I'm going to sort it out. Oh, okay. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. Just mix it. Keep on mixing. This had to mix. Just there was one here. There, I think that's good. Okay, next it said to add any shampoo in your house. And then mix it again. This is basically like a hack, so that I'm doing it for you. But I don't think this is looking too good. It's just so basically, but guys, how is this slime? Can someone tell me how? Okay, if it's sticky, to add a little bit of toilet paper, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just tear it. I think that's what it needs because it kind of looks like slime. Oh guys, do you want me to do a slime ASMR video? Let me know. I'm just going to add a little bit more toilet paper. Guys, after this one, what video do you want me to do? Because I'm thinking of doing a Temu unboxing because I got something ordered off of here. It's a lot of stuff, so I'm thinking of doing that whenever it arrives. It arrives on November the 30th, I think, so make sure you're there by then to check it out. Just keep on mixing this. It's kind of working. Oh, no, it isn't, guys. I did have an activator, but I used it all. Oh, guys, I got some new PC Baby slime. If you want me to do a video about that. Oh, no. Guys, I don't know how this is going to turn into slime. But it is really nice to like smoosh around. Is this what he meant? Is this what slime he meant? Because I don't. Keep on mixing. Guys, this doesn't work. Don't try this. I know this hack has been everywhere, but all it does is give you this bubbly toilet paper, watery. Dang. I guess I'm gonna try and save it and add some water in it, but you can't save this, and I know that. Maybe some more shampoo. Would that save the day? I should just give up on this. But wait. Maybe if I just... Yeah, guys, this is... Yeah, guys, this is not working. Guys, don't try this at home. I mean, you can, but all it would is give you this thing, and I don't really like it. Guys, do you want to do a video where I'm playing with my sister? I think that would be kind of fun. But guys, this is kind of slime, but not really. I think I kind of added too much water, but I can see how they would... Yeah, this is not slime, but it is kind of fun to play with and all, but I do not recommend. This is a 5 out of 10. I would not recommend to try this at home. I've watched the whole entire video like 5 times, and this is what I got, so make sure you can do this and see if it gives anything suggestions. If you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment below, because this is not slime. So bye guys. I'll try and post tomorrow, but I have school and the Thanksgiving thing. So yeah, just have a good night.